Welcome back to Pop Info News. Here we bring you update in details of how it did go as we dey talk for inside Nigeria and for inside United States of Biafra. The matter we will get for our table today now be say they say that somebody inside Biafra government in exile are trying to manipulate and take over from Simon Ekpa on his absence. My people, as that one they happen, they say that he remember say Udele wishing and the Carlo a happy Christmas. Say that is the last Christmas on the earth last year, and now Udele is going to spend his own inside the prison, and it may be his last one on earth as well. They say what you wish person, it's what another person will also wish for you. And that one they go, they say many people now are denying the Nigeria Republic and also joining tearing anything that concerns them in Nigeria Republic and also embracing United States of Biafra. We are going to bring you all these videos for you to watch, but we are bringing it out in detail so that you understand what the video is for. My people, as that one they happen, no be small thing now. A lot of katakata day for inside a Biafra government, as it be like this now. They say this person, they don't tell him, give him a serious warning. Say make him carry him bag and baggages and leave Biafra government before Simon Ekpa will return. That if he return, it's going to be hot for him, or they go mention his name for inside social media. And you know how they be, they will go give him water. But however, we are going to bring you all the video, may you hear. Another information what would they get be say Nigeria government refused to bring evidence against Simon Ekpa in Finland. Now,
hi guys, updates on Simon Ekpa stroke Nigeria stroke Finland stroke Biafra matter. We all know that this is almost 2 weeks Simon Ekpa have been in police in Finland here, have been under police custody here in Finland, and since then Finland have been requesting for Nigeria to send their lawyer to come over to defend them at court. But to date, this is almost 2 weeks, Finland have not seen any representative in their country that come from Nigeria in regard of the petition that Nigerian government submitted to ICC on Simon Ekpa, that he is practicing terrorism, kidnapping and insecurity. He is the responsible for insecurity in the southeast. But this is almost 2 weeks now. The Finland authority or the Finland police or have not seen any lawyer coming from Nigeria to represent them here in Finland. Okay, but Nigeria is coming up with a propaganda saying that Simon Ekpa is inside the prison. Simon Ekpa have been restricted to travel. All these things are lie. Nigeria only know how to lie and only know how to carry propaganda around. Simon Ekpa is well, okay, and we all know that Finland here cannot put you in cell or in prison if your case have not been judged. So Simon Ekpa have been under police apartment, so not like he is on the prison. And please, we are still begging Nigeria, we are waiting for your representative and for your proof where Simon Ekpa is causing insecurity in the southeast. Thank you.
okay, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video. And now let me also show you another video of what is currently happening inside Biafra government in exile. Some individual also want to hijack the struggle in aspect of Mazi Simon Ekpa. Watch the video.
Please, if you're one of those parading yourself as a defense minister, or you know more about defense in the homeland, stop it. Desist from it. Remember, a week ago, I called you, asked you a question. I told you, what do our prime minister say? You know what you said. You said you shouldn't talk to them. You know what I mean. And stop deceiving Biafran people. Stop parading yourself, because what you are doing not only going to hurt you later on, because it will really cause damage on you. When everything is finally revealed, stop deceiving, not because our prime minister is not here. When our prime minister was here, I don't see you parading yourself, acting the way you are. I don't want to mention your name. You know who you are. You already been warned by our Prime Minister, not because he didn't make it public. You don't have hand in the homeland. Please desist from it. And within you, the individual I'm talking about now himself. Remember what you told me last week when I confronted you. You actually told me, what will you be doing if you have to obey the Prime Minister instruction that is diseased from communicating with them? Please, disease, you don't know them. Stop deceiving those that you are deceiving. A lot of us know a lot, but not everything we bring out in the public. But as far as the defense, our defense are intact. What we need is money to get across to do the rightful thing that we need to do, which we'll be doing for more than 1 week, 2 weeks. We survive it. Everything is going fine. 3 weeks, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years plus. Keep counting. We have not have problem. Why now? Please, whoever it is, keep your interior motive. And for those that don't know how government is run, do your research and be more enlightened so you stop causing more damage. Thank you.
That kind of accountability now. We are in freedom fighting and we have a government and the Prime Minister when he wants to do accountability. Ask Prime Minister to do accountability. One big question. Why didn't you ask Prime Minister to do accountability for you? Why will you now come and ask me to do accountability for you now? No. So you should ask Prime Minister, do accountability. For all of you that want accountability, go and call Prime Minister and say, Prime Minister, come and do accountability for me. I want all of you to cut this side off and tell whoever wants accountability that he should first tell Prime Minister to do accountability for him or her. When you tell Prime Minister like that, then I will say that you are able to talk. It's not when Prime Minister is not here. You now call the people that he gave work to do, to say, come and do accountability.
Welcome back, my wonderful people, as you have watched that video. And now let us also go and watch another video of people denouncing Nigeria and embracing the United States of Biafra. Watch the video.
Yes, today being the 5th December 2024, I denounce everything concerning Nigeria. I denounce my passport. I denounce Nigeria. Today, I'm a full citizen of United States of Biafra, and I will uphold it with integrity and make sure that I defend it. Today, I denounce this nonsense country called Nigeria, terrorist country like Nigeria. Today.
So now, guys, I want you to follow the camera as we take it round. As you can see, the passport is still there, and I'm holding it, and that is the piece. And I'm going to do that. You can see it. Goodbye, Nigeria. Fuck you, Nigeria. I am not interested in you, Nigeria. You can see that? I am practically not interested in this nasty piece of a nation. DSS, if you think I am coming to your Rogaland, your Fulani land, you are practically wasting your bloody time. Guys, goodbye, Nigeria. I'm done with you, Nigeria. Not in my life anymore. So they should tell, look, send this round, let the DSS know. They should know. They should be informed that one crazy man, one nasty Yoruba man is burned. And this is the way Nigeria is going to burn, guys.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Also, let's also see wetin this our brother talk concerning Ijele.
Like this, Ijele Udele. In our Christmas. I will dog is wish your master and the call happy Christmas. At DSS. Things that goes around comes around. Like this. You know, one at the same place now about Christmas. Just like play, Ijele. Udele. Our ball ewa na haja, opa ya chieta. Ball ewa pona haja, ya chieta. Abo mposi wota gari, wish your master and the Carlo. See na ya last Christmas ya on earth. Isi na imoro na master na gazi. Na kisa fu master and the Carlo no ya handle the pre. Onfuo, all he put Udele. Like this now. You know, spend that same place. About Christmas. The king of the game. Now we see the king of the prison. There one. Oya chore mwamara. Atoro of ofekofe sinofe.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, I want you to share this video and make sure say you drop your own opinion for inside comment section so that other people go get the information and see how it did go. Don't forget to follow Pump Info News on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get the information where they go on. Information might be the key.